The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual front airbags, air conditioning front, keyless entry, automatic stability control, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 capability, power windows, clock, trip odometer, tachometer, power driver mirror, tinted glass, vanity mirrors, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.